Then next one is evaporation. What is evaporation? The change of liquid into vapor at any temperature below at boiling point. The evaporation means liquid changes into vapor. The change of liquid into vapor state at any temperature below its boiling point is known as evaporation. What are the different factors affect evaporation? First one is surface area. First one is surface area. Then surface area increases, the evaporation rate also increases. The surface area increases, evaporation also increases. Surface area increases, evaporation increases. Then second point, temperature. Then temperature increases, the molecules get kinetic energy and force of attraction decreases. So temperature increases, evaporation also increases. Temperature increases, evaporation increases. Then first factor, surface area increases, evaporation increases. Then temperature increases. What happened? The molecules get kinetic energy, force of attraction decreases. So temperature increases, evaporation also increases. Then third point is humidity. What do you mean by humidity? The amount of water vapor present in the air. What is the humidity? The amount of water vapor present in air. It is humidity, the amount of water vapor present in air. The amount of water in air is high, the evaporation rate decreases. The amount of water vapor present in air is high, the evaporation rate decreases. Evaporation decreases. Then first one, surface area increases, evaporation increases, then temperature increases, evaporation rate increases. Third one is humidity. What is humidity? The amount of water vapor present in air is known as humidity. The amount of water vapor present in air is high, the evaporation rate decreases. Then fourth one is increase wind speed. Then wind speed increases, the evaporation rate also increases. Then wind speed increases, the evaporation rate also increases. These are the four factors affect evaporation. First one, what is evaporation? Evaporation means then the liquid converts into vapor state at any temperature below its boiling point is known as evaporation. These are the four factors affecting evaporation. First one is surface area, then surface area increases, evaporation rate increases. Second one, temperature, then temperature increases, molecules get kinetic energy, force of attraction decreases, and the evaporation rate is also increases. Third one is humidity. Humidity means the amount of water vapor present in the air. The humidity means the amount of water vapor present in the air. Then the amount of water vapor present in the air is high, then evaporation rate decreases. Third one is increase the wind speed. The wind speed increases, the evaporation rate also increases. Take some acetone in your palm. Then the acetone absorb energy from your palm and from surrounding, and it easily converted into which state? Vapor state, and feel very cool in your palm. Then two questions in your textbook. why should we wear cotton clothes in summer season? First question, why should we wear cotton clothes in summer season? We know that at the time of evaporation, the particles at the surface of liquid gain energy from the surrounding and body surface and changes into vapor. Once more, at the time of evaporation, the particles of the surface of liquid gain energy from the surroundings and from your body parts and directly changes into vapor state. That's why everybody wear cotton clothes in summer season. Cotton being a good absorber of water. Then second question, why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of glass containing ice cold water? Once more, why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of the glass containing ice cold water? What is the reason? The water present in the air contact with cold glass. The water present in the air is contact with cold glass of tumbler. That's why loses energy and converted into liquid state, and loses energy and convert into liquid state. That's why the surface of the glass containing ice cold water. Hope all you understand this chapter. Mention your doubts here in the comment section. I will provide you answers as replies. Please like these videos and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.